Hey everyone, welcome to this new series. In this series, I will show you how Murmur simplifies your outdoor advertising and how it's easy to launch new outdoor ads. Let me show you in which countries we are in. We're in USA, Azerbaijan, and Georgia. Let's go to Azerbaijan. We go to Baku. We can navigate and see locations. We give you statistical historical data. What's the population in that area? What's the gender and age segmentation? You can go to Street IQ to get in-depth information. Less than 100,000 on this location. Oh, saying this location. Now you see, we give you information about demographics, ethnicity, and businesses. Now you can get some ideas where to advertise and how location looks like and what's gonna be your target audiences. You can see it in charts as well. Now let me show you Place IQ. Place IQ is where we advertise inside venues. We partner up with different restaurants where we place our screens, tabletop screens, and give you information what's the average check size, how many daily visits, what's the category, what's the demographics of people. You add, create campaign, you choose your target audiences, you choose $50. We give you estimated number of views. You pick timing. You can choose more restaurants. You upload image, your creativity in this format. Finish, publish. And choose your details. Can edit it, update, or you can create another one. Let me show you our ads manager. Oh, I choose multiple. In different areas. I'm giving, oh, I can do, let's say, daily I want to advertise $5. So for $5, you will get such amount of views. Outdoor, you have backpacks. People are walking with screens attached to backpacks and they can walk everywhere. Malls, conferences, stay in front of offices, quantity of screens. You can do indoor, it's like restaurants, or you can do pirate campaign. Pirate campaigns basically when more than two walkers they stay in front of mall or in front of offices of your competitors and attract visitors of your competitors. You upload campaign, that's creativity, publish it. Once it's approved, your ads start distribution and people start seeing your ads. This is how easy to launch outdoor advertising with Murmur. And we provide you analytics of like ad impressions and ad views, which we get from computer vision. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to comment below.